Hey, how's it going? I am so thrilled to make another interesting pronunciation lesson for you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe and don't miss lessons. And in this lesson, I'm going to talk about Y words. Actually, it can be vowel or consonant. But here, now I am focused on vowel Y. Okay, I'm going to introduce 3 rules about vowel Y. And the first, in this case, it's going to be pronounced long I, like long I. Here, long E. And in this case, it is pronounced like short sound. So in the first case, we can see the vowel I at the end of the word. And if a word has only one syllable and it finishes to vowel Y, it is pronounced as a long I. Here, in this case, this is long I. So let's try to read the words. Dry, dry, dry. Try, try, try. Fly, fly, fly. Fry, fry, fry. Cry, cry, cry. The baby is crying. Stop crying. Don't cry over spilled milk. Okay, this one. By the way, by. And this one is my. So, only one syllable, right? And the word finishes to vowel Y or to letter Y. And the sound is long I. Long I. Okay. The next rule is about long E. We can see each word has 2 syllables, right? And the word finishes to vowel Y or to letter Y. And the sound would be long E. Yes, long E. Let's try to read the words. Happy, happy, happy. I'm happy to see you. Happy, happy birthday. Sunny, sunny, sunny. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Funny, funny. She's so funny. Funny. Baby, baby. Your baby is so cute. Baby. Lazy, lazy. Oh, don't be lazy. Lazy. Sandy, sandy. Sandy beach, sandy beach. And the last one is candy, candy, candy. The last rule is very interesting. And actually the rule is we can see the Y in the first syllable and it is going to be pronounced like short Let's try to read the words. Gym, gym. I'm going to the gym. Gym, gym. Gymnastics, gymnastics, gymnastics. Gymnasium, gymnasium, gymnasium. Miss, miss, miss. Mythical, mythical. Mysterious, 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 mystery, mystery, mystery. Okay, let's wrap it up. Now, we've just learned 3 rules about vowel Y. In the first case, there is only one vowel and the word finishes to vowel Y. It's going to be pronounced like I, long I. In the second case, in this case, there are 2 vowels and the word finishes to vowel Y and the sound is long E, E. And the third one is the Y is in the first syllable. So it is pronounced like short eh. Okay, that's it for today. I hope the lesson was helpful and learn and share. See you next time. Bye-bye.